go there and create a STM32 project. Then here we will select our controller. I'm doing it fastly because we have already covered these topics. But if anyone found any difficulty or any issue, then you can speak. I'll give it name UART Polling. Fine. Then I'll finish it. Do you remember on which pin our UART, RX and TX were located?
PB5 and PB6, I think.
Okay. It's correct. Now I'll just go in connectivity. UART 1. Use it in asynchronous mode. And I want UART to use in polling method. So I will keep all the parameter setting as it is and will not enable this interrupt. Fine?
Yes.
Just here change the pins PB5 and PB6. PB5 is my it's UART 1 TX. It's not PB5 and 6, it's PB6 and 7.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. So we have configured PB6 and 7 as UART, RX and TX. Now we will generate our code. This interrupt will come. Here I will take one RX buff in this. I'll store the data to be sent. So I'll just keep my name here. Fine. Oh, it's not RX, we will send it, so it's TX buffer. Then in while one loop, we will transmit. So I'll write like all UART transmit. For polling mode, we will select the first one. In this, we will select we are using UART 1. Our data is in TX buff. Size of data will be size of TX buff. And timeout. Yeah, one more thing. In interrupt, we were not using timeout, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In interrupt mode of UART, were we using timeout or not?
No.
But here we will use. Because what happens in interrupt, every time the interrupt will be generated, it will transmit or receive the data. But here no such interrupts get generated, so we have to fix the timeout.
Okay.
Timeout I will keep maximum, so that will be 0xff. Fine.
What is 0xff, Chandan?
Its maximum value. You can search its value. Do you know something like hexa value, decimal value, hexa value?
No.
So just Google it and search hexa value, decimal value, binary value. You will get to know it.
Okay.
And for embedded coding, hexadecimal values are important.
Okay.
Sorry.
255 the value of
Its value in decimal is 255. But for each understanding, once if he can search it and Google it, then it will be better for him.
Yeah,
You are from CS branch, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, so there in C programming and C++ programming, there is one topic that there we program like we have to convert decimal value into hexadecimal value, octal value, and all. Yeah, so just Google it and check how to what does the hexadecimal values means in binary form and decimal form. You will get to know this.
Can you once repeat why we are using 255 here? Like time of what does it indicate?
Sorry, there are so much disturbance from your side. If it's regarding that 0xff, that's the maximum value which we are using, but you can use any value like 100, 200, 300, any value. But for 8-bit, it's 256, I think, and -1 it's 255. So I'm using that. You can use any value.
Chandan, sorry to interrupt, but how to decide when to use hexadecimal and when to use decimal value? Is it
at the most places in embedded you should use hexa value, because when you will debug your code, all the values that you will get will be in hexadecimal values, and in later parts when you will write the codes for some external sensors using registers and all the values of registers are given in hexadecimal value only. In big sensors data sheet, all these values will be present in hexadecimal. 90% will be present in hexadecimal, 10% will be in normal value, decimal values.
okay? Okay, got it.
It makes processing fast, so that's why we use.
Oh, okay, that's the case. Okay, fine. Okay.
Now I'll use hard delay 1 second. Fine, my code is good.
Sir, what does this timeout indicate, sir?
Timeout means timeout after which it will like it's something like delay for UART function. This delay which we are using, it's once the transmission is successful, then it will wait for that 1 second. But this timeout is internal timeout for UART. So the function UART will repeat its process after this timeout.
Fine.
And now we have built our code with 0 errors and 0 warning. I'll just run it. Okay, I'll have to connect my board. We are good to go. Let me open Doclight. Heritage. I'll check my COM port. So it's 16. My COM port is set on 16. Baud rate 115200, which is default. So I'll just click OK and connect it. You can see Chandan is getting transmitted here. Everyone can see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just disconnect it now, as we have to cover more topics today.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.